Hey there, Tech Farm. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. I've got a lot of exciting content coming your way. So today we dive into the world of UI design. I'm just going to show you how to create button, auto layout button, um, variants, components with different states from default, press, hover, and disable. I'm also going to show you how to toggle type on button and add auto layout. You can choose to like click from the right side to add the auto layout, or you click on shift T, which I just did. Then I'm just going to just adjust the padding and also add a round corner to this. So whatever you want to work with, you can work with, but for this I'm just going to be sticking with um 16/8 thereabouts. And then for the round corner, round radius, I'm just going to use a 4. 4 is okay. So after that, I'm just going to fill in this button so that you can see clearly and add colors to it. So any color. For this tutorial, I'll just go with purple so that it can be visible for everyone to see clearly. So yeah, everything is perfectly okay. So you can see the beauty of auto layout. Everything is still intact, nothing is scattered, everything is okay. So I'll just go to a plugin named Iconify to get icon, because I want to show you how you can actually use icons on this button. Just pick and drop, pick and drop. That's the beauty of auto layout. So this is the plugin. This is how it looks like, and because I have it, I didn't have to go to search it, I just run it. So if you don't have this plugin, you can just click on the right side of your mouse, and then you go to plugin, you manage plugin, select manage plugin, and then you type Iconify. As a designer, I would really recommend this plugin. It's very great for you to have your go-to plugin for icons. So I'm just going to like, I pick the home, the cart, and start to just show you how this work. I'm just going to change the colors of this icon to make it white, since this is what I'm using for clarity. So for the second part of this video, I will show you how to create components. You just go up there after you have finished creating your button, with something like a pyramid or a star. Should I call it star? But it's up there. You just create a component, and then it's already in your asset. This is the parent component. You can always get it from your asset or duplicate, because you can't use the parent component. You can only use the child component by duplicating it or taking it from your assets. So that is it. You have created a component. It's the property. You can choose to change the name if you want to button. Just choose change the name however you want it. So I just created a variant. I clicked on that, and you see an option to create a variant, because I will be showing you how I'm going to change this button to have different states. So immediately I create the variant, this comes of property one, and that's the name of, you can choose to change it maybe to button or state. Let's say state. You can change it to state. Then you're going to see variant one, variant two. The more you duplicate, the more you keep seeing variant, and you can always change the name of your variant. So the whole container is the property one, which I said you can change it to state, since this is the state of the button, and the first one is going to be on default. So the second one, you have to change it to press, or whatever name you want to call it. Yes, so that it will reflect. So I hope this explanation is clear. So I'm going to do the rest for the remaining button. So this is the button I have created for, I just renamed the frame all to button. I've created a property and name it to state. I have a button for default. This is press, um, this is hover, and this is disable. So I'm going to show you how to use it. Let's bring a frame. And I said earlier, I can't just pick and from this place. I can go to my assets. When I go to my asset, I'm going to see my parent component and just pick it from there. What did I name it? Let me just search for button. This is it. So I'm just going to drag it here. This is it now. I'm going to show you how I created icons to show and not to show. Just toggle it. But let me just show you how to use these three elements. How this work? Don't forget I took this button from the assets section, or you can just duplicate this. So you can see it's on button and is the state is on default. So just click here. You can see the press, hover, and disable. Look at disable now. It's changing. This is hover, this is pressed, and this is default. So this is how to use your button, and you can get a frame, any frame, whether a phone, a desktop, and just put your button here. I'm going to control D here and look at it on my iPhone frame. Still the same thing. So for every design, you can always get this button. It's going to be on your asset since you have created a component. It's to show icons and no icon. Just so I'm going to show you how to make buttons that can show icon on both and right side, and you can also toggle it not to show icon. So let's just get into it. So I just type on button. I'm going to have shift A, or you right click and just select auto layout from this option. So after this, I'm just going to have a round corner of 4. You can adjust your padding however you want your button, but for the sake of this, I'm just going to leave it like this. Then I'm going to fill it so that you can see, and leave it as white. And then oh, I think, oh, this is okay. So I'm going to go to Iconify, a plugin, just to pick some icons to add. If you don't have the plugin, you can just search for it, because I have it. That's why it just pop out. Home. Let's have the home icon. And let's have the, it's my icon here. Where did I drop it? Let's, I can't see it. I think because of the color. So let me drop it here so that I can see it. Then maybe star. I think they are equal now, so it's okay. So I'm going to, yeah, I'm going to change the color to white. This is an auto layout button, and you see the beauty of it. You can always just pick and drop, and everything will adjust. Look at it, everything will just be adjusted, and we are done. We have created to just name the icon so that it will not be confusing. So this is, let's name it as star. Then the second one, this is it. I can name it home. This is the home icon. There we have it. So I'm just going to put that back. Let's see. Let me see the height of it. That it will have same height. And create a component first. So this is the component. You can choose to name it, but I just want to show you how to toggle. So when you click on the icon in, you just go down and you see layer. This is it. You click on layer and create a boolean property. So show home through, you're going to create property. Then you click on the next icon, go to layer, and it's showing apply boolean property. You click create another property, show star is on through. So this is the final product. By pressing it, I just see this toggle and look at it. Thank you so much for sticking around. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification. For any question, you can drop on the comment section. Till next time, bye.